Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play. I've discovered that while I'm junk journaling, a lot of it is like a creative practice, and I think it helps us in all of our art, and it's a great place to also display all of our art. So I thought, what a fun, easy, beginner-friendly way to do creative exercises, improve our artistic confidence, and, refine your personal style, or find it if you haven't found it already. So I hope you'll join me, and, we'll just play about weekly, or weekly-ish. Hello, everyone. I'm here today because I'm having a go at just making up some more ribbons for myself. I really adore calico. I love the feel, I love the neutral tones, all that kind of stuff. And I thought it'd be really nice to have some fabric ribbons. So this time today, I really only used ink and stamps and things like that. I used these Stays On inks. I have a few in different colours. And I just played about, putting stamps in all different places. So I just tore a strip of calico, enough that I could just put it on my desk, and then I tore that down into strips afterwards. So I really enjoy just creating patterns, and this is another way that you can use them. It's not just backgrounds. So this will be one that you can just sit back, chill out, and relax to while you see some of the different stamps that I've used and see me spraying it and messing it up and then fixing it up again, because that's all part of the process. Now you'll see once I've done a fair bit of the Stays On, I then go through and I use some oxide inks and I do a bit of water spray and I do a bit of ink spray. So really just playing about with some different looks. There's J Bear. I obviously had to go and do something at that point. All right, sit back, relax, and have a go yourself. love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!